So we are going to put the light. Remove the water for tonight. Too much water. So we are going to put the lamp just in case too cold to give some temperature control. Warm. Provide some warm heat. Nice, right? Okay. This is traditional light. Not LED, Good for night sleep. Okay, I use this tubular lamp, traditional lamp, to provide some heat. Okay, and remove the water just in case they got drawn. I will continue to give water tomorrow morning. Okay, congrats, happy birthday. Okay, so we are going to put the light. DIY house. This is the cover, you see. My sister is so clever. She said this takes just a few minutes. You make a hole here and then you put a lamp. You see, and then keep them warm. So this is the third day lah. They are about the same. Third day. My sister said.